Do you know the name of this fruit? What do you call it? Or have you ever tasted it? If yes, I'm sure you would love to grow this in your home garden. Let's talk about this exotic fruit in detail today. Welcome back, friends. I'm Swati, and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Starfruit, amrakh, or carambola. These are the names of this sweet and sour fruit. It's really sour when it's green and raw, but sweet when it's ripened and turns yellow in color. The name starfruit is given to it because of its shape, which looks like a star when we cut it. And do you know it is loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and anti inflammatory properties? You know what? The best thing about growing star fruit is you can grow them very easily at home and enjoy its fruit almost round the year because they produce fruit twice a year like guavas. So you can grow star fruit by two methods. First is just buy a hybrid plant from nursery. You'll get it for about 100 to 150 bucks, or grow them from seeds. Just choose a ripened star fruit, cut it, take out the seeds and sow them directly in the soil. Or the third method is you can prepare a plant from already fruiting tree by using air layering method. But remember, the plant grown from seed will produce fruit in about 3 to 5 years, and the hybrid one will bear fruits by the next year itself. And same goes with the plant prepared by the air layering method. So you have to choose which one you want. Now you must be thinking how to grow them. I don't have a garden space. Yes, you can still grow them in pots and containers, and believe me, they do fruit in pots as well. All you need to do is just keep few things in mind when growing in pots. Like your plant should get direct sunlight for at least 5 to 6 hours, and it should be grown in very big size pot, at least 20 inches pot or container. Also make sure to fertilize it every 2 to 3 months, and of course you need to water it daily if you're growing it in pot. This is about 3.5 to 4 years old tree, and it's a hybrid plant that I bought from nursery, and it started fruiting the year after planting itself. And for last every season, I have been harvesting like 10 to 20 kgs of a star fruit from one tree only. The plant bears bright pink color flowers in bunch, which has mild fragrance, which develops into fruits after pollination. But it's not necessary that each flower will develop into fruit because sometimes wind causes fruit drop from the tree. Now here comes the tip to get more fruits in the tree. Prune it well once you harvest all the fruits from the tree so that it will develop more branches. More branches means more flowers and more fruit. So that's all for this exotic and very easy to grow fruit plant. Buy a hybrid plant from nursery, grow them in your garden and enjoy homegrown fruits. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. You found it informative, then do share it with others as well, and I'll come up soon with one more interesting video. See you.